Hi, I'm Eyal Grus, and I would like to invite you to our workshop on avatars in Zoom. A generative jam. How can you be almost anybody in Zoom space? We will see how very recent as in mid of April, open source code allows doing live, real-time deepfakes in Zoom and in Facebook Live. Where does this put us on the axis in between the promised cybernetic utopia and trolling potential infinity? Can this be a middle ground between online participation policing and personal privacy? A significant part of the workshop is a hands-on jam, where we will create deepfakes using online tools which do not require any prior knowledge in coding or machine learning. We will also practice playing with avatars in Zoom using accessible tools. I'm Eyal Grus, and I would be happy to see you in my workshop. Thank you.